And now we are leaving from our fourth attraction towards our fifth attraction. We are not done yet. अभी पिक्चर खत्म नहीं हुई जवार की, अभी थोड़ी बाकी है. अभी तो शूटिंग का नाम लिया तो अभी खत्म थोड़ी ना करेंगे. तो अभी आपको लेके जा रहे हैं हमारे फिफ्थ और फाइनल अट्रैक्शन ऑफ जवार जो हमने आइटिनरी प्लान की थी उसकी. तो लेट अस मूव फास्ट टुवर्ड्स आवर फिफ्थ लोकेशन. Let's go.
All the videos while riding are captured by Fitzpark Dolphin 1.0 waterproof action camera, and the audio while riding is captured by Fitzpark WL101 wireless mic, which is exclusively for Fitzpark Dolphin 1.0 20mm waterproof action camera. If you feel like purchasing them, the purchase link is given in the description of this video.
So now we have reached our fifth location, which is Dabosa waterfall, and we have reached the place, but sadly because we are too early during the monsoon, in the early monsoons we would not be able to show you the fall. This is the top view of the Dabosa waterfall. Earlier there was space to get downstairs towards the waterfall, but now they have restricted going down towards the waterfall due to certain incidents that have taken place in this location. So you can enjoy the view of this fall from the top. The fall is almost merely the flow is nothing, but if you come in the mid or at the end of July, then you will get a great view of this waterfall. As Jawar is the city of waterfalls, it is best to visit here during the month of July and August, where monsoon is at its peak. यहाँ पर ना एक प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस था नीचे जाने के लिए, बट वो स्टेयरकेस मैं फिलहाल ढूंढ रही हूँ, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है वो स्टेयरकेस. बट एक प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस था, हाफ वे तक प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस था, रेलिंग भी था उसको, और उसके बाद ना ऐसा मतलब ट्रैकिंग जैसा थोड़ा था, रिस्की वाला, बट एक स्टेयरकेस था. वो स्टेयरकेस जहाँ से हम नीचे जा सकते. फिलहाल तो मुझे ये बंद नहीं दिख रहा है, मे बी बिकॉज अभी वाटरफॉल एक्टिव ही नहीं है, इसके लिए उन्होंने बंद नहीं रखा हुआ है. सो वंस यू विजिट दिस वाटरफॉल यू कैन जस्ट गो डाउनस्टेयर्स एंड एक्सप्लोर इट. बट ये जो प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस आपको दिख रही है, ये प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस सिर्फ हाफ वे है. ये प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस जहाँ तक है, कुछ कुछ लोग जिनको प्रॉपर ट्रैकिंग या ऐसे हाइट से फोबिया है उनको और नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए. जहाँ तक प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस है हाफ वे तक, वहाँ से आप जा सकते हो. उसके बाद अगर आपने कभी ऐसे जहाँ प्रॉपर रेलिंग नहीं हो और प्रॉपर स्टेयरकेस नहीं हो, वहाँ से ट्रैकिंग वगैरह की होगी तो आप कर सकते हो. बट ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप वाटरफॉल के लिए यहाँ पे आ रहे हो तो वाटरफॉल के लिए आप नीचे जाओगे अगर, इफ़ यू लव वाटरफॉल्स, तो आपको मज़ा बहुत आएगा. बिकॉज हम लोग नीचे गए थे और वो जो चींटे भी उड़ती है ना वाटरफॉल की, वो बहुत अच्छी लगती है. तो अगर आप वाटरफॉल एंजॉय करते हो, एज जवार इज़ अ सिटी ऑफ वाटरफॉल्स, and if you love waterfalls then you should go once. But fall के नीचे exactly नहीं, because that's too deep, but you can enjoy from far.
So I have bought some of the 9 years ago and now moments for you. This is Hanuman Point. Next we see is Hanuman Point's other side, where I Love Jawar was not a part of it and it was a clear passage. This is Jawar and me 9 years ago. We had this same trip 9 years ago, where we are showing you a view for Dabosa waterfall now, and again the Hanuman Point.
Fifth attraction of the city of Jawar, city of waterfalls Jawar, the itinerary which we had planned. So this is the fifth and the last itinerary, and now we are heading home. It is 6:16 p.m. in the evening, and now we have to ride 129 kilometers back home. First we need to also get fuel. We need to get our bike fueled before reaching the highway, so that we have enough of fuel to reach our home. And if you have liked our video, then please do like, subscribe. If you have any questions, then please do comment, and I would insist that please visit this place. And my suggestion to anybody watching this video is that this is a very beautiful hill station, but there are still no public transports which can give you easy access to this location. So people without private vehicles it is not convenient for them to reach here. Secondly, over here there should be more staycations. A person like me would definitely come here and promote their staycation. If you actually grow your visits and travel, you promote your travel for this location. This is still an offbeat location, and there are many less staycations. And this is in Maharashtra, so people who are actually building staycations in Maharashtra, I would suggest you to please have your holiday homes here as well. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you.